Hi everybody, I am recording the instructions for your Friday challenge activity. Today will be a little bit different than it was last week. What we are going to be doing today is working on writing and graphing inequalities. You may work with other people on this. Remember, I said you can choose who you wish to do it with. You can hang out in Meet or Google Hangouts or make your own Zoom room, however you want to do that if you want to work with somebody else. But remember that everybody must turn in their own work. So you will have this slides presentation that you are going to be working with to create your challenge activity. So on the first slide, what you're going to be doing is dragging and dropping the correct statements in the correct columns. Okay, so you're sorting them that way. If you accidentally delete one, remember you can always add a new text box and make one yourself. Always, that's the easiest way to do things, is just make a new text box for it if you make a mistake and delete it. Or remember, hit undo. Okay, that's the other thing. Another thing that you will be working on is this. You need to put in the correct symbol for each of these statements. Okay, so you have your symbols here. You simply drag them and drop them where they belong. On the next slide, we have the same kind of thing. You're doing the same thing, dragging and dropping the correct symbols. Here is where you are going to write or drag the correct answer into, or drag the circle over the correct answer. Is this a solution or is it not a solution? So you have one for each of these. Then we are on here and you are writing the statement here. So X is, and then you're going to drag a correct symbol and fill in what the value would be. So obviously this would be a -2 that you would put in here. Now, if it's an open circle, remember, go back to your notes to help you remember what symbol you would use for open circles. You have another slide that's like that as well. Here's where you're graphing the inequality. You need to drag the correct circle and the correct arrow to match those up. So you have 2 slides worth of that. Same kind of thing. Now you're going to do the whole shebang all together. This time you're going to need to choose your own variable, choose a symbol, drag the symbol, and then write in the value here. Okay, so read the question carefully and answer it that way. And then you'll have another slide of the same problem type. So, like I said, this is going to be pushed out through Google Classroom. Everybody will have their own copy. I am only going to send out prizes to those students who hit turn in. If you do not turn it in Google Classroom, I won't know that you finished it. I'm not going to hunt. You need to turn it in yourself, okay? You have until the end of the day tomorrow to do this. Well, I'll give you the weekend. How about that? You'll have until Monday morning to get this turned in. If it's not turned in Monday morning, that's my cutoff. And because this is an optional activity. So please make sure that you do this if you wish. This is optional. You do not have to do it. Don't feel like you have to do it. But if you would like to, you can work with others to do it. Please let me know if you have any questions. I will be available on Google Hangouts from 8:30 to 11 and from 12:30 until 2:30 on Friday, today. This is your day today, even though I'm recording this the day before. So make sure that you contact me if you have any questions or you are stuck with anything or you just want to say hi. That's okay too. I've had a lot of kids just contact me to say hi, and that's all right. Have a great day, everybody, and I hope that you do well on this assignment. Bye.